just talked to your classmates, Eric and Caesar, about the pre-writing assignment that's due Sunday, and we came up with a nice plan that I wanted to pass on because I think it's a really good one. Remember, this essay is we're practicing writing for the middle, so you're collecting, you're trying to think in depth about the source that you've chosen, what you're reading, and come up with some really great ideas in response to the ideas that you're reading. And the pre-writing is supposed to help you do that. So what we talked about is starting with a list. Well, starting with your annotation. So open Perusal, look at your group's annotations, and make a list collecting the best ideas from those annotations. Okay, that's the first way. And then once you have that list, study it, think about it some more, and do a free write to kind of go the next step and push on the best ideas that you've collected from the annotations. If you've already done it a different way or have a different idea, that's fine. But I think starting with your annotations, making a list, and then free writing to take it to the next level would be a great way to prepare to write your essay too.